This is Bengal Buzz. Buzz.
This Monday marks the start of the Red Ribbon Week in our school. This week encourages our student body to live a drug-free life and celebrates the life of a fallen DEA agent. He was kidnapped just before he can make a very important drug bust.
Red Ribbon Week is in his honor. Here at BHS, we encourage our students to live a drug-free life. If you or someone you know is struggling with an addiction, get help from a teacher or an adult. Don't fight it alone, Bengals.
Remember, Bengals, to stay strong and get help when you need it. You're not alone.
We're a family here at BHS and we look after our own. Get help, Bengals.
Baby pictures are due December 1st. On the back of your photo selected, please write your name and your homeroom number and give the photo to Mr. Panulo in B208. The choice of your senior picture is also due on December 1st. Instructions for choosing your photo can be found in the packet included with your senior pictures.
Please come to Chorus Club on Monday. See Mrs. Altanji for information.
We out.
Buzz on over to B106 after school on Tuesdays to become part of the Bengal Buzz team. That's right, if you want to be part of our weekly episodes or add some of your own Bengalicious content to our YouTube channel, meet up in B106 on Tuesdays after school. Be there or be sad. Interested prospective members can contact Ms. Stowe if they want to join but can't attend meetings. No students were immolated in the making of this advertisement.
If you still feel undecided about college, the trip to Atlantic City College Fair could be exactly what you need.
On November 1st, students will be taking a bus trip to the fair, leaving at 8:30 and coming back at 1.
Spots are limited.
If you're interested in attending, the guidance office has permission slips.
You need a permission slip.
Yearbooks are now on sale. Yearbooks are not guaranteed unless pre-ordered before March. Reserve your copy for $95. Senior ads are due January 10th.
How's my birthday?
Your birthday is January 10th.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Matt. A limited number of spaces available. Please visit yearbookforever.com and search for Barnegat High School. Please contact Mr. Panulo with any questions.
The Bengal community honors Mrs. Elko on her grand achievement in getting an Emmy Award for her segment in the 2017-2018 Classroom Close-Up episode. We followed up with a couple of students who were featured in the episode. As Barnegat's new rising stars, they expressed a lot of gratitude for being nominated.
I'd like to thank Miss Elko for the opportunity, for allowing me to be in the class, and for being such a great teacher. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Elko. Thank you, Treyway. Really changed my life. Great inspiration.
Hey, what's up, Bengal Buzz? Just a quick shout out to Mr. Peters for putting me in this class, and a quick shout out to Miss Elko for picking this class to win an Emmy. Boulder Town, baby.
These students sometimes are here more than they are at home. They come here for their breakfast, lunch, and they stay for sports after school. So Miss Elko is sometimes more of a caregiver, but she's also helping them become young adults.
Right, so all the words I'm about to give you have to do with the novel. You are going to have to predict what you think is going to happen after.
Okay, it's something you do on the computer and you send it to people.
Email. I have a lot of bodily kinesthetic learners in there, tactile learners. They like to get up and move. So what I wanted to do was introduce the book in a way that piques their interest.
Many of us are extremely proud to have a respectable person working on our school grounds. On behalf of all students, teachers, and staff, congratulations Mrs. Elko for an outstanding accomplishment.
Okay, over the last 2 days, my class was assigned last month to write colonial biographies. And since I went to Williamsburg many years ago, I discovered that the most fun I had was when I actually met the real historical characters. So I decided from then on to dress up and come in as a colonial character. In the past, I've been Thomas Gage, I've been Benjamin Rush, Today I was a Jewish banker that helped finance the American Revolution, Chaim Solomon. I was in full colonial garb. It seemed like the students had fun, and they were supposed to present their colonial biographies as autobiographies, so they would become that person. My concept was to try to get them to have some empathy for people in the past and maybe get a little bit more knowledge of what people were like in the 1700s. So that's what we've been doing the last few days. I think all the kids did a nice job on the biographies and everything really well, I think. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Bengal Buzz. You got the spirit.
We got the scoop. We got the scoop.
And scene.